Principal sir, Mr. Augustine Thomas sir, charismatic teaching and non-teaching faculty, and my dear friends. A very happy morning to one and all present here. Today is a very special day and emotional day for us. The students of class 10, as we stand here on the threshold of new journey, ready to pass out from the school that has been our second home. Firstly, I would like to begin my thanking note by speaking about a tall and a dignified personality who always welcomes us with a warm smile and fills our school with positive energy. Any guesses? Yes, it is none other than our respected principal sir. Your constant guidance and leadership has given us a disciplined yet caring environment, sir. You're the one who has shaped not only our academic journey but also our character and confidence. For that, we remain deeply grateful to you, sir. So, the dialogues I am going to mention in the speech are evergreen words that have stayed with me and played a powerful role in shaping who I am today. Firstly, I'll start with Malati ma'am. Malati ma'am was one of the first teachers who clearly saw my potential, even during the phase when I was known for disciplinary issues. When I was in VP ma'am's cabin, I heard her say, "What, yeah, you have talent, but you are not utilizing it." That moment stayed with me, ma'am. Thanking you, ma'am, for guiding and transforming an indisciplined student into a disciplined one. Nextly, during my 8th standard, I still remember the dialogue. Not wishing teachers at all. Adala is something that we have forgotten everything. Which corrected me at the right time. Ma'am's encouragement and support during my decision to contest in the school elections gave me confidence. Thank you, Lakshmi Gauri ma'am, for your constant support and strong belief in me. I see you as a mother figure, ma'am, because you always supported me, stood up for me, and guided me without expecting anything in return. One dialogue that deeply touched me was, "I want my son to get better marks. Thank you, Veena ma'am, for treating me like your own child and always wishing the best for me." A teacher who always had high expectations and never-ending belief in me. Even when I disappointed him in many situations, he continued to stand by me. He is one of the truly best class teachers I have ever had. Thank you, Raghavendra sir, for trusting me. The dialogues we all remember is, "Maths is very easy subject, कुछ भी नहीं है 10th maths में." This dialogue I will never forget this, sir. I will also sincerely thank my 8th class HRD, Vidya Lakshmi ma'am. My favorite subject teacher has given me constant encouragement, discipline and support, which will stay with me throughout my life. One dialogue I clearly remember is, Rupesh sir, children don't like late submission children. Thank you, Rupesh sir, for shaping my sense of responsibility and consistency. Next thing, Vijayarani ma'am. Vijayarani ma'am is the reason I moved Telugu from a third language to my second language. Her never-ending support, special affection and care guided me in making that decision. I will always be grateful to you, ma'am, for your encouragement and belief in me. The dialogue I often heard in class was, "Pillalu, andaru exit marks rasara Pillalu." So the classes which were filled with energy and fun. He roasted me often, but behind that was a very kind teacher and an excellent educator who supported me throughout class 9 and 10. His regular dialogue was, "Beta, if you're not interested, beta, you can walk out of the class, beta." Thank you, Kamal sir, for your care, your spirit, Thank you, Kamal ma'am, for your care and support, which always felt special. The dialogue I often hear in class was, "You either sleep or distract everyone," and this is the worst section I have seen. Though it was strict, those words pushed me to become more responsible. Thank you, ma'am. I always felt special because of the affection and concern ma'am showed towards me. The support you gave me, ma'am, was truly endless. During PTMs, the dialogue I remember is, he has talent, ma'am, but is not sitting and working on it. Thank you, Asma, ma'am, for believing in me. Ma'am, you played an important role in developing my interest in biology. She also helped me improve my handwriting and presentation skills. Thank you, Harini ma'am, for your constant care and encouragement. The dialogue I have regularly heard was, Aprajit, did you complete your classwork? This is the dialogue, ma'am, and I will not forget it throughout my life. A ma'am helped me understand the power of words and taught me how they can change perceptions. Through her inspiring teaching and advice, she made a lasting impact on me. Thank you, Ishwari ma'am, for everything. The dialogue I often hear in her classes. What is so funny there, ma'am? Can you come and share it here so that we all can laugh? Soumya ma'am. The motivation and encouragement given by Soumya ma'am have left a deep and lasting impact on me. Your words always reminded us to balance enjoyment with responsibility. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your patience, care, and unwavering support throughout our journey. The dialogue I will always remember is, you people enjoy, but don't forget to do your duty. Even though I did not study directly under you, sir, the care and affection you showed me made me feel valued. You supported me during many situations, and for that I am truly grateful. The dialogue I always hear from you is, sir, koncham chadukondi sir, mottam enjoyment kaadu sir. Thank you, Praveen sir, for giving me a moment. Last but not least, I would like to thank Rama ma'am, Sashi ma'am, Deshri ma'am, and the school management and the coordinators for their never-ending support. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to our non-teaching faculty for their constant care and support, which may often go unnoticed but will always be remembered and cherished. As we step forward to face new challenges, we carry with us the values, memories, and blessings gifted to us by the institution. This school will forever remain a part of who we are. With gratitude in our hearts and hope in our minds, we take a leave today, not as a goodbye, but as a sincere thanks. In conclusion, I would like to say that East or West, DSE is always the best. East or West? So, thanking everyone, and we wish DSE a future filled with continued success and pride. Thank you, everyone.